Hey y'all. Right now we are leaving the house. I am going to choir rehearsal.
Hey, Miss Walker, thank you for wanting the verse from me. Apologies for the wait. Sometimes it's hard to get the distractions apart.
Welcome to the vlog. But we're about to get going. I feel like Lord have mercy. I don't even know why I'm trying this, to be honest. Because it's dumb. Like, why are you doing this? Alright. That works. Yeah. It's going to be shifting all over the place. I got my trunk, my backseat still there. Alright, this is it. It's too loud.
Ready for change, ready
That's
for
too low,
rain,
that's
ready for favor.
Part
I know
one.
you are able. I know you're able. Turn it around.
We don't have an organist or drummer, so we have to use the background tracks for when we do praise and worship.
That's all from dropping the jaw.
Good morning. The day is starting off rocky, but anyway, we're here, we're breathing, we have life, and therefore it's another chance and another day to do something. So what we're really about to do is go take a shower and try to get ready for the day. I want to clean up. I don't know if that's gonna happen today, but we're gonna see. Let me turn this way because of light. So we are dressed. I'm not really doing nothing. I'm staying around the house. Even though I need to do some things. But let me show you what I'm wearing. Yeah, please. My room is a mess. Sir. Not be about to trip. Okay. So this is what I'm wearing. But if you could see my bra, I know. I tried tucking this. I have big boobs, so it's really hard for me to like go braless and even tie my bra. So I'm gonna do like a little bit of cleaning around the house. So let's go. It's raining outside. No, look. I hope y'all can see. It's like really light. I hope y'all can see. I don't think you can see it on the camera, but it's raining outside. That kind of messes with what I wanted to do today, but not really. We'll see. All right, let's go. Let's start cleaning. Well, actually, I'm going to help my mom clean, even though my room looks a mess, but I'll clean that later. And you see all that laundry up there?
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million.
Y'all, this is the final pizza. I feel like I didn't do enough sauce. Let me see something. Let's taste the piece. Can you see? I feel like it's too much light. It's too hot. Hold on. This is what the pizza looks like. Looks good, smells good. Let's taste. Too hot. It's too hot. Okay. It looked like so much sauce when I was making it, but I guess it's not. Let me see. But it might be fine. It looks like it's fine. The crust is giving. False alarm. It's bomb. Okay, so here's the cake. But half of it got stuck in the bottom of the pan. Oh my God. So I think I might make that like cake crumble on top, because I got like vanilla frosting. We'll see once it cools down. I'll show you. Hey y'all. Alright, so we're about to try to icing this cake. This is what it looks like, because I showed you already. We got fun feathers.
Everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you. That's true, I'm digging you.
Y'all, it ain't that bad. It ain't that bad. Y'all, please don't be mad at me. I have not picked y'all up in a while. By the way, I got this cup off of Amazon. It was about $30 from, I believe it's called Simply Modern. I'll put the link in the description box. Fun fact, I struggle with drinking throughout the day. So just having enough liquids in my body, things like that, it's really hard for me. But yeah, I haven't really seen y'all since like lunchtime, which was, I believe, around 2:33, and right now it's 9:02. So, and I feel like there was something I was supposed to tell y'all. I have a tip from when you make box cake. So when you saw me making the cake earlier, a tip to make your box cake taste better. This was something that I found like on Google, and I tried it and everybody loves it. Like half of the cake is gone already. I add 1 cup of sour cream to the cake mix, and then I also add 1 extra egg. And instead of doing water, so whatever the liquid is, so on my box cake that I showed you earlier, the water amount was 1 cup. So instead of doing water, I did milk. So 1 cup of milk, and the directions call for 3 eggs, and I used 4 eggs. And then it already had pudding mix in it. If it didn't, then I would have added pudding and sour cream. And you can do that if you like a really moist cake. Like that just makes it so moist. But last time, I don't know. They were like complaining, and they, as far as like my family, was like complaining that it was like too moist. So if you like a really moist cake, add pudding mix and the 1 cup of sour cream. But if you just like a moist cake and it still like has that crumbly texture, then the sour cream would do the job. if you try that out, let me know. But it is, like I said, it's 9, what is it? It's 9:04 right now. So I think what we're gonna do is do a little bit of nighttime skincare. So let's get into this nighttime routine. I use the Roche Posay. This has changed my life, y'all. Literally, I got it on Amazon for $8. Tell me why when I went into Big Lots the other day, they had it for $39.99. And I'm going to be doing this mask. I haven't done a mask in a long time. Please do not look at my nails. They're terrible. But I haven't done a mask in a long time. So that's all we're doing today. And you know what? What has really helped is washing my face for 60 seconds. That has really helped a lot. And it has like 4 different modes. I don't know if you can see it. Like a massaging, and then a deep clean and massage. This is the basic, and then that's like just a deep clean. I like to do the deep clean and massage, which is the last mode.
Where'd you go? Girl, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon.
So honestly, like tonight, I'm gonna put on my pajamas. Like I said, I do have church in the morning, so I will see you in the morning. I'm probably just gonna watch a show. I'm thinking about The Shy. Watching an episode of The Shy or watching somebody's vlog on YouTube. Like, I'm so addicted. But yeah, so I'm gonna call this a night. This weekend, like, I really didn't do anything. I was supposed to clean. I didn't even get that done. Yeah, so I will see you in the morning. Good night. Good morning, you guys. It is Sunday and we are getting ready for church. I took a shower this morning. I re-washed my face. I put on some Smell Goods. Hold on, let me show you what I lotion with. So I had got the body glaze off of TikTok, and this is the donut one. You see my mom in the back. But I just got the donut body glaze from TikTok shop. Also, I use the Vaseline Cocoa Radiant staple. I use it every time. And I have the Taliaferro. Oh my gosh. This light, y'all. Hold on. It's called Cloud 9. And this is from a small business. I had met this couple, the Taliaferros, at an event in Atlantic City, New Jersey last year during Juneteenth, and such great people. They're beautiful. He makes these perfumes, like he has different fragrances. I love this one because I wanted like a vanilla type, and this one I wear all the time. Actually, this is like the only perfume I have. So yeah. And as far as like any makeup, I'm just doing like spot conceal. I love to do like spot conceal, blush, lip liner. That's it. This is my outfit. And I'm wearing it with these boots. We gotta go.
Hey y'all, so we are at Cheesecake Factory with our 4. This is my grandma for my cousin's birthday. She turned 18. This is the family. Jessica, turn around. Happy birthday, Katie. Here's Kenzie. Here's Kenzie. She acting crazy. We're gonna do the birthday song, so I'll let y'all know.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
All the way through, we're supposed to be in one voice until we get to the end.
Yeah.
Okay.
Until it's a happy birthday part, and then it's harmony. Yeah, and then you will go. Shots in the bathroom. All us fellas. Original walkers. Alright, so we're practicing the same happy birthday.
No, she went to go see her kids.
My cousin, she is turning 18, so Kenzie, Kenzie, if you are saying this, happy birthday, baby girl. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
With you tonight is on an island. It's about time for making up. Told you wasn't with me waking up. Now you for said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So I confess, won't you? Can I tell you something?
This was the end of my weekend vlog. I really hope that y'all enjoyed it. This was my very first one. I honestly don't even know if I introduced myself. My name is Tamani. I'm 27 years old and I own my own business. I own a spice company. I could talk about that more if you like it. I really wanted to get into vlogging, just as to see if it was something that I would like to do. I really have fun like vlogging my life, and it's really just like a video diary for me. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you want more. I do want to start doing like mini daily vlogs on TikTok. I know I got something on my shirt. I just ate something. Please just ignore it. I be mad messy like when I eat. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here to close it out. So I hope you enjoyed the little glimpse in my life that you've seen. I really didn't do much this weekend, and as you see, like my room, well, I don't know if you can see it, but my room is a mess. I still never cleaned it, so I'm rambling. But anyway, I hope that you enjoyed the vlog. If you would like to see more, please let me know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until I see you again, good night.